In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 onboarding software platforms for 2026, what each one does best, and who it's built for. Starting a new job is already a lot. A disorganized first week of missing credentials and unanswered questions is the usual result of running onboarding through scattered emails and spreadsheets. And Gallup's research is clear. A manager's active involvement is the real engine of good onboarding, not just the paperwork. These are the tools that get both right. Starting with number 1, Teamflect. For organizations already working inside Microsoft Teams and Outlook, Teamflect is the most practical way to run onboarding and the wider employee lifecycle, because it operates entirely within Microsoft 365 with no separate app to log into. New hires complete tasks and connect with managers right inside Teams, and Microsoft Entra ID sync pulls org data automatically to cut setup time. Onboarding then flows straight into performance reviews, goals, one-on-ones, and recognition. So everything leads into the employee's ongoing development with no change in environment. Teamflect lets users create automated onboarding task groups for each department, alongside surveys and 30, 60, 90-day reviews for a complete onboarding program. Best for Microsoft 365 organizations that want onboarding and the full employee lifecycle in one place. At number 2, Gusto. Gusto built its reputation on payroll, and that foundation shows in how naturally onboarding connects to the rest of its HR functions. New hires can complete tax forms, enroll in benefits, and set up direct deposit from their phone before day one. And because Gusto is payroll-native, there's no data handoff between systems. For small businesses that want solid onboarding without the overhead of a dedicated HR platform, it strikes a genuinely practical balance between simplicity and function. Best for small U.S. businesses that want onboarding and payroll accuracy in one simple system. Number 3, Rippling. Rippling brings HR, IT, and payroll into a single system, and for onboarding, that coordination is the whole point. From one automated workflow tied to the employee record, a new hire can have payroll set up, benefits enrolled, devices provisioned, and app access granted. Its zero-touch device deployment ships hardware pre-configured with accounts, VPN, and security settings already in place, which is especially valuable for remote hires who need to be operational with no in-person IT setup. Best for tech-forward companies with distributed teams that want to consolidate HR and IT. At number 4, HiBob. HiBob is a people-first HRIS built for modern, fast-growing teams, and its onboarding module automates the administrative side while keeping the experience personal. Managers get automated notifications and structured guidance throughout, and new hires get a clear path from offer acceptance through their first 90 days. Its real strength is connecting onboarding to the broader lifecycle. Once onboarding is done, employee data flows straight into performance, attendance, and payroll, with a built-in LMS for early learning paths. Best for mid-sized organizations that want an HRIS with onboarding connected to performance and payroll. At number 5, Deel. Deel was built for the specific challenge of international hiring, handling contracts, compliance, and payments across more than 150 countries. Onboarding is paperless and mobile-friendly, with self-service options that let new hires in remote locations complete everything independently. The platform automatically adjusts for local labor laws, contract types, and currency requirements, which cuts a lot of the compliance risk that comes with global expansion. Best for companies hiring internationally or managing a mix of employees and contractors across regions. That's the top 5, but the full list runs to 10, including the best enterprise pick and a mobile-first option for frontline teams, linked in the description at tophrsoftware.com. Discover unbiased HR software reviews, side-by-side comparisons, and expert insights. Find the best HR tools for employee engagement, performance management, and more.